Okay. Alright, firing up the water garden for the first time in 2013. Yay! You gonna prime it again? Going from the top pool to the bottom pool. No, we didn't paint it this year.
And Obama is actually applying it to the fundamental nature of the state. You know, he's got bigger fish to fry than I think that's the difference.
And so when he's caught in a lie, people admire that and say, well, isn't he clever? Keep lying and left his way through. And people admire that rather than, as conservatives would say, well, that's dishonest. That's not playing fair.
Yeah, I think it's interesting the stuff he does. I think the evidence is that they admire.
How cool is that, you guys? Here's my master gardener. Thank you, hon. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
Once it's dang cold, we'd hop in there. Maybe a couple days. What do you think about that artwork? We are officially open. This was all Kirsten's idea in the beginning. Grandpa, take out them old fish and make this into a swimming pool for me. And here she's going to be 17 this year. This is our form of entertainment in the water. Bye.
Huh?
I said bye.